Yo, we're talking about technology that disrupts. We're talking about the Brave browser. CNET said it's the fastest browser they've used by far in years. This cryptocurrency-based browser is a total disruptor and one that you should seriously consider switching to right now. We're going to check it out and give you a bit of a demo of the browser in action. Let's do it. My name's JP. This is a $1 Billion Haters Club. We hate Chrome. We hate Edge. We hate Firefox. We are looking for smart alternatives that just kind of position us away and pull us away from the grip, the evil grip of big tech. And Brave as a browser and a concept promises to do just that. So it's actually formed and started in 2015 by some ex-founders of Mozilla's Firefox program. But the key thing that they kind of stand for is basically having less kind of like tracking software and ad blockers as other web browsers, but it is all based on the Chrome infrastructure and ecosystem. So you can still use all your Chrome extensions that you love. So what you're doing is shifting away from a platform like Chrome, keeping all the same sort of feature set and functionality, getting a faster speed because it's blocking all those ad trackers, and also just giving away less data, so it's a lot more private. So a lot of us recently have been switching over to DuckDuckGo, and they've seen usage spike because of big tech censorship and data privacy and security and all these other reasons. But having a search engine is only one part of the puzzle. You also need a browser that's protecting your interests and your privacy as well. So this combination of DuckDuckGo with Brave as a browser is perfect, and actually DuckDuckGo is set on as a default when you download the browser, but you can choose other search engines if you prefer. So all that sounds well and good. Does it work? Yes, I've used it. It's super fast, and I'll switch it over and show you in a minute. So Brendan Eich, creator of JavaScript and Mozilla Corporation, or CEO, is behind Brave. And what's interesting is this kind of cryptocurrency functionality they have that sits underneath it all. That's one part of it. So they've got something called a basic attention token. So this is a way to pay site owners or creators or advertisers for commanding your attention, but it's all verified, which is very different to how the advertising network works now, and basically what impact that's had on the freedom of navigation that is the World Wide Web. So this cryptocurrency kind of base is really interesting, and you can opt in or opt out. You don't have to use it. And then the other part that's really interesting is rewards that they give you on the back of that, but what they're calling an interplanetary file system, or IPFS. And this is basically a decentralization protocol of the internet. So it's basically the way we browse the internet is what it should have been at the beginning. It's based on a peer-to-peer technology or functionality. So a lot to like here: the speed, the cryptocurrency integration, instead of a Google advertising network, for example, or Facebook ads. And then third, the IPFS, which is basically a decentralized control system. So it means that this will never be run by a corporation. So if you are going to switch, know that for the long term, this will be a solution that, again, is governed by the people, for the people, et cetera, et cetera. So that's enough about my ramble on why I think this is a game-changing technology. And what we want to do now is actually just have a bit of a look at Brave in action. So if we go home, you can see here it defaults to DuckDuckGo, comes up, and that's a super fast search. And if I wanted to go to images, again, look how quick this is coming up. And I'm not on a fast internet connection. I'm in Australia. Our Wi-Fi and our home internet broadband is just known for being terrible. So that's amazing. If I go to a multimedia site like IGN, for example, again, sorry, that's image search, but if I jump on the site itself, bang, it just loads so fast. It's amazing. Okay, this is awkward, but you're using an ad blocker. We can't live without ads. So that's interesting. But if I dive in and try to watch a trailer, it again loads up straight away. I'm not getting any ads in advance, which is amazing. So actually blocking ads that would usually appear in this circumstance. If I go back, and what I might do now is just jump onto a site like YouTube. Again, look at the speed of this. It's just amazing. And if I was to watch a video here, video myself, sure, why not? Make sure you watch this video. It's just been posted. No views yet. Not fast, but again, it's skipping any ads. And we'll see the same thing for stuff like Far East Films. Again, straight into the content. So, and what about a news site? News sites are notorious for ads. So we'll just check out news.com.au. Here we go. Unexpected change. But we probably want to find something a bit more video-based. Australia's defence deal with China. Here we go. Watch the video. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it plays. So we're getting a countdown here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang.
As China
Bang.
looks to
No
celebrate a
ads
centenary of
whatsoever,
communism
which is amazing.
flexing its might
And you
over
can
the
still,
South China
go
Sea.
and use Google. There's no problem in doing that. It's still going to work and still work really well. It's going to be fast. What's something we could look up? So we want to go to Twitter. Bang. So again, you're not missing any functionality here, but you're just getting that lightning fast speed. Plus you're getting all those privacy benefits, and that attention token's a really interesting factor as well. So do we think Brave is something you should download and try right now? Yes, it's been around 6 year or entering its 6th year. It's established, it's secure, it's based on Chrome. You're not going to miss anything that you had on Chrome. You're only going to benefit from this kind of really interesting and disruptive technology and concept. Great time to jump in, particularly now with what's happening with big tech censorship. You need to be making real actions about protecting your own privacy, thinking about the footprint that you're leaving online. Super important. And Brave, for me right now, is probably the pinnacle of the different solutions out there. Pair it up with DuckDuckGo. Away you go. You've got a really great privacy solution there. My name's been JP. What do you think of Brave? I'll put a comment and link in the comment section below, I guess, for you to download. But you should definitely download and check it out. Let us know what you think. But we definitely need your help as you're doing that. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and let's see if we can get this right. There we go. 1,000. That's what we need. We need your help. We're going to get there. Come on. We can get there. We're at 50. 950 to go. It feels like a long road, but keep pumping out good content like this. I'm sure we'll get there. My name's been JP. This is the $1 Billion Haters Club. Peace and love to you all.